Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can download LUTs and install them on CapCut PC. Just search LUTs and download them here, and it's going to be sent to my email. So I'm just going to put this to the side, and I'm just going to load my email and download it first. I'm then going to select the Q file, and I'm just going to copy it, and I'm just going to add it to a folder, or just extract all to the folder here. I'm just going to do it in like pictures. Okay, once you're done, you're going to go to CapCut PC. I'm just going to delete this. Go to the filters section. Actually, go to adjustments. Then go to LUT, select import, and you're going to basically go to the folder that has your LUT, which is this one. Just select it and just add it on top of your videos. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!